Hello, eighth grade squad. I want to touch base with you about this week's assignments. They're going to be based on poetry and the poetic techniques we went over last week in class. If you haven't watched the screencast, either from class or you didn't analyze that poem on Wednesday, I highly suggest you go back and you take a look at that. It's going to be really helpful as you move forward in this assignment. Those notes are also going to be super helpful as you move forward in this assignment. So for this week, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to practice applying figurative language, right? So can you identify those types of figurative language that we talked about? So in this first assignment, you have, I think, 24 song lyrics, right? And you are going to identify them as either simile, metaphor, onomatopoeia, hyperbole, or personification. You may only use these 5 terms. Do not write figurative language. Do not write imagery. Okay? All of these are examples of imagery and of figurative language. So while you're not wrong, you're also not right. So again, you can only use simile, metaphor, personification, onomatopoeia, and hyperbole. The second part of this assignment is to go out into your playlists, your Spotify, your YouTube, wherever it is that you consume media or music from, and find lyrics to a school appropriate song that you like. Just because the words are bleeped out doesn't mean it's school appropriate. Okay, so try and do your best. I'll be flexible, but I do want you to try to find lyrics to a song. And you're going to paste those lyrics into this document, right? And then you're going to identify the figurative language used within the song. So kind of like we did with the foul shot poem, you'll just highlight the lyric in some color or create a key and then write what it is afterward. So this is Monday's assignment. And this will get you well on your way to writing your first poem on Wednesday. Hooray! You guys, it's going to be awesome. I promise. So, if you need help with this assignment, I will be available in Google Meet from 1 to 1:30. If it takes us a little longer, that's okay. I don't mind staying with you until closer to 2. But you need to come with specific questions because I'm not just going to sit there and give you the answers, right? That's not how this works. But if you're like, oh, miss, I think that number 6 might be simile or metaphor, can you kind of give me a hint? I can help you work through that. So the link is the same as last week for Google Classroom. I'll make sure I post it on this Google assignment. Otherwise, this assignment is due by Monday at 8 p.m. I hope to read all of your beautiful work and see you in Google Meet. Bye.